Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It is lovely to have you. Well, some of you and you. I feel like Oprah giving away cars, but yeah, Oprah is much richer. Anyways, today we're going to be looking at earnings once again. So I did my total earnings video last 10 days ago. So what was it? I don't even know what the last day was, but it was about 10 days ago, and a lot of people seem to love that because it was my most viewed Doordash video. And I thought, since you guys love it so much, let me go ahead and do a quick update. So I did a small chunk of hours. Now we're gonna calculate the total earnings once again with this included, and we're gonna look at the average pay per hour based on my total hours worked. So last time, I think it came out to like $20.25, but since then, adjustment pay has been added to my earnings as well as miles traveled pay. So let's see if my earnings have gone up or down or left or right. But anyways, I went ahead, did all the math for you guys. I'm gonna keep this video as short and punchy as I can. I do apologize for my hair, it's a mess right now. But anyways, here we go. Let's dive right into it. So I worked a total of 33 hours. And the last time, I believe my earnings were about $610, maybe a little bit more. So let's see how much my earnings are this time. I went ahead, did all the math for you guys, and this time my earnings came out to $691 for 33 hours worked. Now let's go ahead and do the math. 691 divided by 33, and the earnings come out to roughly $20.93. Now this is definitely higher than last time, and let's go ahead and do the math for this time this earning period. We had 3 hours divided by $76, or yeah, 76 divided by 3, not the other way around, 3. And the earnings for this pay period have come out to $25.30 an hour. So adjustment pay and gas travel pay, I guess, really do bump up your earnings a little bit. Last time my earnings were $20.20, I believe, and this time it went up to $25.30. So we have earned more than $5 per hour because of adjustment pay and because of miles traveled pay. Now, I do take into account that I did do these hours over the weekend, so they might have been a bit higher than the weekdays because people order much more on weekends. But then again, there are more dashers on weekends. There's a lot of things to take into account, people. But anyways, I hope you guys found this little update informative and entertaining. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But anyways, I'll let you go. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one.